Video is Peter from Peter.in, and in this new video I'm gonna drop the Samsung Galaxy Z2 Prime in the water and see whether the device is gonna survive. So let's go and see what's gonna happen right now. Okay guys, the Samsung Galaxy Z2 Prime is fully functional and it is my primary device. Now let me just open the camera and record a video so that I can show to you guys as a proof in the later part of the video. Now let me just record it. Shifting to the front cam, tapping on the record button. Now sorry for my hand, I unknowingly get my hand in front of the camera, sorry for that. Now let me just put some water through it. As you can see, the water is peeping into the device right now, and I'm using a case as my daily routine. Now let's check whether the device is completely fine. Let me just shake the water and let me just touch. Oh guys, the device is responding quite well. Now let me just put some more water to the device, and the partial device is fully wet. So that's it guys, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll be showing you guys the video, and this is the video. So that's it guys, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.